We have an incoming hail from HQ. Looks like new biological scans from planet Earth. Come and have a look at this.
I didn't think planet Earth had life.
I have a new mission for you. This is planet Earth. Go there to recruit Earthlings to protect and save the planet's wildlife and habitats. We must save the planet for the future of humanity. You will deploy immediately.
Can you find somewhere beautiful for us to beam down to?
The Sultanate of Oman looks perfect. These are the Dominiot Islands. I'll get a scan of the life underwater. That's Cheltenham Muscat School. Let's go.
It's time to beam down and start recruiting. We need you, Earthlings. Are you up for the challenge?
Project Earthlings has launched!